So here's the second of the 3 things you need to do for that pain through the top of the shoulder that you get, because it's especially bad throughout the course of the day where you feel like your neck starts to really tighten up. You can feel like a burning sort of pain if it's keeping you awake at night, or if it's bothering you first thing when you wake up in the morning, or you find your neck's getting really tight. This is the second thing that we need to do. We need to loosen up. This is our second treatment technique if you haven't watched the first video. So we're going to loosen up the trap muscle through here, the traps, and the levator scapulae, which sits at the top of the shoulder blade, and runs up from the top of the shoulder blade into the side of the neck. Just down this side of the bed. And what we do is we start at the base of the skull and massage down to the top of the shoulder here. So we start off pretty gentle. Firstly, start to sink into the muscle. We use a bit of a nice anti-inflammatory sort of massage cream as well. And then we start by kneading through the muscle here. It's really tight, really achy, and it feels just fantastic. So you start to work your way into it. If you want to know how you can really treat your loved one at home, really impress, doing this combination. So start nice and gentle, big, nice long strokes, even working down through the rest of the back. Always gets real tight down lower, so it feels like it starts initially in the shoulder and then the pain starts to radiate down lower and up into the neck, sometimes triggering headaches as well. And then from there, you do a bit of kneading down lower as well, in through these muscles. You always want to make sure you do the other side as well, because once you start to loosen off one side, it can start to trigger the other. Then we might do a little bit of like a trigger point holding where you can feel like the muscle spasms, and then go to the next point where the muscle's really quite tight there. Beautiful. So my name's Dave, Director and Physiotherapist at Physique Health Physiotherapy. I'm going to show you shortly, if you haven't liked and followed us on Facebook already, the third treatment technique that we'd use for neck pain as well. So make sure you like us and follow us on Facebook and Instagram if you haven't already.